I look like a painting. What? Here's to starting a new series, Cold Days, Comfy Looks. Because even though it's almost 30 degrees in Mumbai, the chilly days are coming. Well, in your cities at least. So it's one styling tip or one outfit every video. For look number 1, we're starting with cotton blazers. Perfect way to start the fall season since there's a layer to keep you warm, but it's light and not too much to make you feel too hot. Best if you can make an easy yet stylish outfit if you have the entire blazer set. Some wearing matching floral printed pants too, and we love a good cord set. Now for the top underneath, you can go contrast and pick a color from the prints and wear a tee inside like this or even like this. That's how I wore it. Or you can go monochrome and pick something more winter friendly like a high neck top, and that just shifts the entire outfit from casual to dressy. Pairing it up with pearl accessories because I'm going to style it with white heels and a white bag, the sandwich method if you remember. And that's our first fashionable look for the easy breezy days. Save this and remember to invest in light material blazers too and experiment and create a fashion statement once in a while. Follow me for look number 2 of Cold Days and Comfy Looks. How to style a sweatshirt in 2 Pinteresty ways. Welcome to look number 2 of Cold Days Comfy Looks, where I style one warm outfit every video. The sweater weather is out and so am I, taking out my beautiful blue butterfly sweatshirt. Perfect because it's not plain, it's got the high neck cold coverage, baggy sleeves and crop length. For the first aesthetic look, pick the easy way and go monochrome. Sweatshirts and midi skirts are a perfect Pinterest combo. I picked up a pleated one, don't forget to tuck it in. Now get your nerd glasses out because we're making it work appropriate too. First add pearl studs, an evergreen watch and an evil eye handstand because November was all about nazar. Anyway, put on your hairstyle into a cute little bun hairdo instead of open hair, white heels or boots for the height, and finish with a contrasting colored tan tote bag. Now this is one of the cutest bossy work looks. I think you can agree. Second way to style the sweatshirt is replacing the midi with a mini. Don't come at me, it's still Mumbai winter appropriate. However, you can wear it with fleece stockings. For comfort, I'll replace the heels with shoes. Don't forget to wear your socks. Now change in earrings, change in bag and change in hairstyle with a bow to finally get a Korean sort of Pinteresty look. Comment and tell me which look do you like more and would try with your sweatshirts. Save the warm outfit idea and follow me for look number 3 of Cold Days Comfy Looks. Finding a stylish yet very easy winter outfit idea? Just recreate Rachel Green looks. Welcome to Cold Days Comfy Looks. For look number 3, we're going to recreate this iconic outfit from Friends. So first start with a high neck black blouse, which is very winter appropriate. Well, right now I look like this. Anyway, pair this top with a grey pleated mini skirt, which is not very winter appropriate. So you could add your fleece stockings, but I will skip it because I live in Mumbai. Well, now comes my favorite part, the boots. I am obsessed with these. This automatically elevates the entire outfit. Now just finish it off with a belt like her. Thick one or the thin coach. I don't know, you tell me in the comments. Then add some jewelry and there you go. You can finish right here or just add a waistcoat over it for extra layers, and that outfit is such a slay, such a complete hot look. Anyway, that's the outfit recreated and you just pulled off a Rachel Green winter approved look. So bang on. Now follow me for look number 4 of Cold Days Comfy Looks. Not all Indian outfits in winters are supposed to look like this. Let me show you how to style kurtis during winters. Welcome to Cold Days Comfy Looks, look number 4. First, keep the odd cardigan aside and get a turtleneck fitted top and layer it underneath the kurti. This adds warmth while still being in style. Now for bottoms, replace the outdated leggings. Go for bootcut jeans. They're of a thicker material, better style than skinny jeans and even great for cold days. Now get your scarves out and wrap yourselves for a second layer. Could be printed or of a contrasting color. And you could even add a beanie if it's really cold. Now silver jewelry are kurti's best friends, so definitely add a jhumka. Lastly, for footwear, go for ankle length boots for an edgy look, and that is your final look. Could put some glasses on, and here's a side-by-side comparison on your kurti winter outfit. Notice the style change? Save this idea and follow me for more style inspo on Cold Days Comfy Looks.